Every morning it's puffs, in the evening it's puffs. When I'm ready it's puffs, when I'm ready it's puffs. Okay, let's have some fun, ladies, and let's have some fun, gentlemen. And just having fun. God is good. Indeed true. Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Today I'm going to show you good day today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. You guessed it, I'm going to show you how to make puffs. So the method in making puffs, also known as pate choux, cabbage paste or eclairs, is that you take the water, salt and butter, place that in a pot and bring that to a boil. You would then add the flour, keep stirring until it forms a ball. Then you take that ball, put that into a mixing bowl with the paddle attachment and allow that to mix to release some of the steam. You will add the eggs one at a time until you have the consistency desired. I'm going to show you a trick to know when you reach to that consistency. To make this puff, you would need eggs, butter, flour, water, and a pinch of salt. So to know when you reach the right consistency, what you have to do is take a small amount between two fingers and pull. Once you pull and you see the peak happening there, that's a good sign to tell that when you pipe the puff mixture, it will come out with the design that you want it to, and it will come out good. The next step is to do piping. So how do you fill a pastry bag? What you have to do is get a tube that you want to use. After that, you will cut the bag to suit the tube, making sure that the design is out. Do not have the tube like this. What that will do, it will stop the design from coming out. So make sure that your tube is out like that. Once that is done, what you have to do now, I'm right-handed, so I'm making sure that I allow the bag to be placed over my left hand, and then from this hand I will be filling the bag, and while I'm filling, I am pulling up the bag at the same time. Let me show you. So I'm taking the mixture, putting it inside, and then I am going up at the same time. If you notice as well, my hands are pretty much clean. Okay, so let's do some piping. Now I have a tray here that is greased and dusted lightly with flour, and I'm going to make some rosettes. So when you're piping, make sure that the first stage of it sticks to the tray. After that, you go like that. Then again, this, and there you go. Puffs. Now, when it comes to baking puffs, what you have to do is have the oven high at, let's say, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and you bake it for 10 minutes. What that does, it will allow the puff to puff up in size. Then you would reduce the temperature to around, let's say, 325, 350, so that the inside can cook. If you don't do that and you leave it at a high temperature, it will puff up, but inside would be raw. When you reduce it to 325, 350, you'll bake that for about 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven. And to truly know when the puff is finished, it would be light when you lift it up, but you will also see bubbles forming on top. The puff is not ready, but once the bubble is removed, once the bubbles are not there, then that's another sign to know that the puffs are ready. Because if you're seeing bubbles still here when it's baking, it means that, or it's telling you that there is moisture still in the puff. Hope you get it. And there you go, puffs. They really do look good. I'm going to fill these with tuna paste, and I am going to eat one. Okay, maybe not one, two. Two. This remaining puff mix, I'm going to show you how to make churros as well. So what are churros? Churros are taking the same batter and frying it in oil that is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, draining it on paper towels, and then dusting that with cinnamon sugar or sugar of its own. It can be served with a sweet dip of your choice, chocolate, ice cream, jam, and there you go. You have now made churros. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell on YouTube. If you're on Instagram, don't forget to become a follower. See you on the next video.